Scam, expose.
I know, like, a lot of people being scammed online. That's why I started this group. I mean, it's really hurting, when so many people are trying different scams and like so many people are losing money day to day on that scammers. And all Facebook group, I'm telling you, only our group is the one group where is no scam post allowed and no scam at all. But other than that, all Facebook group you go, you will see all the way scams. Yeah, I'm trying, that's what I said, like I'm trying my best, what I can do for all of you. But sometimes like I'm running lotto, so after all it's a lottery, it's a game of luck. So not everyone lucky at the time. Sometimes like one person get 2 3 times they win, and sometimes like they won't win at even once in so many days. But I mean, it's after all luck, so I couldn't do, and it's, believe me, I'm not manually selecting any of them. All these addresses I'm copying and put on my automatic lottery selection, like, I have one online software. I put that, it's random selecting the keys and paying out. So I don't know, like, who are winning or who are not. That's why every time I'm asking, if you are a winner, just post. So even I know who won. But it's not in my hand, I'm not doing anything. I know, Grazia, like all over there's scammers, so be careful, always be careful. And very, how you can identify scammers. First, like, see what they are posting. When they're posting hype sites and saying like invest this much and you make like 20%, 50%, double your coins, then you have to think by yourself why he is offering you doubling your coin. Why he don't double his own coins? You getting my point? Some people are posting like click this link and receive 5 BTC, click this link and receive 1 BTC, I mean, or some kind of Satoshi. Who will give out that way? No one. These all are just scams. They just want you to visit their websites. Nothing else. All of them are scammers. So stay away from them. Nobody will give you anything. Those are stupid people, I mean, they don't care. You lose one, if you have even one, believe me, you just write in one group and say I have $1, want to invest in legit site, and 100 scammer will post under your post, invest here. They don't care about $1. I mean, in actually $1 cannot do anything, but still they will post their links, invest here, your $1. They don't care $1 or $100. They just want your money, whatever you can. If you post like you have $1 and want to invest, hundreds of them will come in line, and they want your that $1 as well. That shameless people are there. So like, I mean, just stay away from them and never ask anyone where should I invest, because that's not the way. There are scammers waiting for this, and you are telling them where should I be a victim of scam, and they will tell you okay, go here and you will be get scammed. This is something like that, isn't it funny? So yeah, I mean, on CoinSobot you guys can go and start on that whenever you want, and the day you sign up, just order your device. After that, like, depositing, order your device, and device will be on its way in 1 week to 10 days max.